Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Zoom meeting. First, open your Zoom application or navigate to the Zoom website. Once there, you will find a clear option to schedule a new meeting. Click on this to begin the process. Immediately, you will be prompted to enter a topic for your meeting. Make sure this is clear and descriptive so your participants know exactly what to expect. This initial step is crucial for a well-organized virtual gathering. Next, you will configure the essential details for your meeting. Carefully select the date, the precise start time, and the expected duration. You can choose to use a personal meeting ID or have Zoom generate a unique one for each session. For enhanced security, always enable a passcode. This adds an extra layer of protection. These settings ensure your meeting is scheduled correctly and remains secure for all attendees, providing peace of mind. Now, let's explore some advanced options to customize your meeting experience. You can choose to enable a waiting room, giving you control over who enters, or allow participants to join directly. Decide whether attendees' video and audio should be on or off upon entry, which can help manage initial distractions. Finally, you can add specific email addresses to send direct invitations, ensuring everyone receives the necessary details promptly and efficiently. Before concluding, take a moment to review all your selected meeting settings. Double-check the date, time, and any security options you have enabled. Once you are satisfied, simply click the Save button to finalize your scheduled meeting. Zoom will then provide you with an invitation link and details. Share this link with your intended participants through email, messaging apps, or your preferred communication method, making it easy for everyone to join.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.